this is a bit different this year. That's the reason we've never admission price have gone up to what we put this year, because the events, the events it's not allowed, you're not allowed on, so that's the reason we've not put the price up for this year. But you're all done? Yeah, alright, obviously.
Yeah, which one here is like?
I've sent it to where I did a Monday this morning. The heating was
Right.
Oh, we are.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
And there's your proper ticket now, what you've written. Alright, okay, enjoy your day guys.
Well, she dropped it upstairs. Someone can get that bundle of you. Oh, and Sam, that lovely girl on the side. Ah, I can bring over my signature, Shepherd's Building.
Big decisions call for invaluable advice. Visit St James's Place to find your one-to-one financial advisor. St James's Place for
Martin, are you training someone today?
No. No.
So if you think you've gone to the haven't
I'll leave her,
you? You're all away.
Everything on that, so we are in Liechtenstein. Here's a map of Liechtenstein Railway and Museum. On my left side, Royal Mail engine, and this is English Electric. You will see here. Whitcomb Hospital when they continue. Do we need to take a round here or just to take it round here? No access to this exhibit. Yeah? Yeah. Rebel Steam Railway Museum, Sentinel Steam Centers. So rearrange the order of the wagons to match the color below. Must be for signal controlling. So what is saying? What was the life like for children working in the coal mines? And believe me, these are the real coals. You can see here. Mining tubs from Kimberia. Some of the samples are here. And this is the signal, red light, green light. You can see here it's showing amber yellow. Instead dock.
It's the artist that recorded the theme to the film Pearl Harbor, but also had a huge hit with This Kiss in the late 90s. Loving that.
And this is for the line control. You can see here how the line's getting controlled.
That shift goes well. If you take a big drive somewhere, let me keep entertaining you hopefully with the best 90s.
Here's another signal.
The classic TLC.
Seaforth North. This is beautiful. That's really very Liverpool Exchange. That's beautiful. Hi. Been to this place on the corner, on the play area. So here we have play area for kids as well. That's great. It's a family playground. You can see here, guys, a family playground, Ribble family playground. Just for if you have kids, you come and enjoy the playground here. I probably will see if I can find an opportunity how that engine connects to the rest of the train. So that's the diesel engine, that's not the steam engine.
That's a diesel, yeah.
That's the diesel one, Sentinel. So today, okay. So this one is, this is again a very old engine. This engine is from 1980, 1.5 Caledonia Works. Okay, we are inside this train box. that's a Royal Mail engine. Let's see what we can find in this Royal Mail engine. We are inside this. So this is the Royal Mail engine, one of the box where they keep all those old time parcels and letters.
Right,
So you can get your parcel here
here we go.
and you can find
Got all the parcels. Right, I'm bringing the parcels now. Right. Oh, Mina. Got your hat as well.
Hey, no! That's somebody else's.
Right, now we've got the letters to sort.
Let's
All the letters, you have to sit on that seat.
Ooh, it moves! Mama,
You want it, okay?
no,
No, you're not.
I
You're
don't
not.
think
Right, you on. Right, there's your letters. They all have to go in the red one. They all have to go in the blue.